Hey everyone! Did you know that in 2023, the average return on investments was a surprising 6.2%? That's lower than many expected, and it's a wake-up call for all of us. If you didn't see those gains, or if your portfolio didn't perform as well as you hoped, you might be wondering if your investment strategy needs a makeover. Well, stick around because today, we're diving into the best investment strategy for 2024. Alright, let's get into it. This year is crucial for making smart financial decisions. With the economic landscape constantly shifting, it's more important than ever to adapt and reassess how we approach our investments. In 2024, we need a strategy that not only aims for high returns but also protects our hard-earned money from the ups and downs of the market. So, what's the best way to navigate this tricky terrain? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about the common pitfalls investors faced in the past year. Many people got caught up in the hype of meme stocks or overly concentrated their portfolios in tech. Others held on to losing investments for too long, hoping things would turn around. These mistakes have highlighted the need for a fresh approach in 2024. We need to learn from these challenges, and that means diversifying our investments, being strategic about where we put our money, and ensuring we don't repeat the same mistakes. So, what are the investment strategies we should explore this year? First up, diversification. It's not just a buzzword, it's essential. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and even some alternative investments. Next, let's talk about sustainable investing. More and more investors are focusing on companies that prioritize environmental, social, and governance factors. This isn't just good for the planet, it often leads to solid returns too. Lastly, technology is your friend. Use trading platforms and apps that offer insights, analytics, and even automation to make informed decisions. Staying ahead of the curve means leveraging the tools available to you. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. The best investment strategy for 2024 combines risk management with the potential for high returns. This strategy focuses on a balanced portfolio while also incorporating sustainable investments. By mixing traditional assets with green initiatives, you're not only safeguarding your investments but also aligning with the values of the future. This approach stands out because it prepares you for market volatility while also tapping into growth sectors that are likely to outperform in the coming years. This strategy is all about resilience and foresight, two things we all need in today's economy. To wrap things up, remember that adapting to market changes with the right investment strategy is crucial for success in 2024. We've discussed the importance of diversification, the rise of sustainable investing, and how technology can enhance our trading strategies. It's all about being proactive and informed, so you're ready to seize opportunities as they arise. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about this investment strategy? Have you had success with any of these approaches? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more investment tips and tricks. Let's make 2024 our best financial year yet. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.